Hello everyone. Have you ever walked into a store only to find the item you wanted was out of stock or seen the shelves overflowing with the products that just won't sell? These are the everyday problems of retailers faced because of the poor demand forecasting and inventory management system. So there comes our project, that is AI powered retail sales forecast. With the smart inventory optimization, we help the business to predict what customers will buy when, so they can keep the right products available without overstocking. So let's just go quickly to the main page of our the website. So as here you can see that whenever I just refresh the website, they just ask to log in, which is I kept the website very secure. And once log in, welcome to the main page. So here you can see that I have trained the data, like the different type of data, using AWS Glue and different the visualization. As you can see on AWS Glue, that I have trained different types of table, like train with features, test with features, and all that are stored in the S3 bucket. And right there, we have just got the data. And let's just verify we have kept the department 2 and just predict the sales. And here you can see that we have taken from 2010 to 12 because it is a predefined Walmart data set which was available on Kaggle, and it's 52,349. Now let's just cross check the value that we are correct or not, how much the accuracy of the model is there. And just I put 5 the same date, and it just showed the same value which was above, and the actual was 50, so it's in 2.83% error. This would be we would be neglecting with the help of the time LLM, which is a main part of the project. So let's just first I will show you the Athena's test prediction. So basically this is a thing which I'm getting from AWS Athena. I'm directly pulling it out, and I can just show you. Yeah, Amazon Athena. Here are the different queries. I'm just pulling out the data to show that the predicted sales of different types of stores. And this was a visualization. And let's just go to the predict tab. And this is the main part of our project, that is time LLM forecast Walmart data. Let's just predict the data for the today's date with the department ID. Let's just skip it 2, and the store ID, let's just skip it 4. Forecast with time LLM. Great. So here forecasted using the real Walmart data. It's not any dummy or hardcore values. So we can get the forecast output, as you can see, with the different, like it's a 48 weeks data, like in the gap of 48 weeks. And you can see the forecast visualization too, like the historical data in the time LLM. And this was a very tough and the main part of the project. And let's just go, we have completed this. Yes, the inventory optimization. So what is this? Like, we have different inventories present. Now we don't know which inventory got over, as I told you in the starting, that if we went to a store and what get over, they are not able to recognize. Okay, so we have created something like this, in which if we send alerts for the flagged rows which are red, as you can see that we will immediately get the mail from AWS. It would be just reflected in just few seconds. I will just show you. Okay, so as here you can see that we have all sent the all reorder alerts via AWS SNS feature, which is really good feature of Amazon. So let's just check that we have received the mail. Yes, it's 8:48, and we have just received before 1 minute the new notification of reorder alert. Store one department, current inventory, and please reorder the stock immediately. Whatever information is required. We have another good feature, like whatever mail we are sending, we are asking the feedback to, like what you want in this mail, what details you want. So was this alert helpful to you? For department 2, we will be sending to all the people. And here you can see that we have just sent until it's reflecting. This was a really good feature, like the controlling the whole inventory optimization and reorder alerts demo. And here the mail would be, I think there. Yeah. So 8:48. Right now we have got new feedback received with the store one, department one. So was this alert helpful? We can write any of the questions here, and we will just take the feedback. And again, while sending this reordered mail, we will just add that feedback whatever they have given us. And there's one more feature which is really good feature. Like, there are very limited feature available in inventory stock management, and I've used the feature of Amazon, which is Amazon transcript and poly, which and I have stored my voice in S3 bucket, and just I have recorded that voice, and I will just play the sound. In the screen sharing, you won't be able to hear the sound, so just I would be recording it and showing you. Okay, so as you can hear the recording, which I have just uploaded in the file. Store 1, Department 1, date July 2025. So I have uploaded store 1, Department 1, date July 2025, and just I will click this upload and transcript. It will just convert this audio, it will just take the audio and convert into the text, and again it will just figure it out what I have said, and according to that it will show the latest. Yes, here you can see that forecast store department 1 on July was 374, 379, 385. So these are the first five values which I have taken for the short this speech. Here you can see that it passed the store ID 1, date July 2025, whatever I said in the audio, and it will just generate. So this is the new recording. Department 1 on July 2025, 374.0000000. So this was a really good feature. Like the stores are literally busy, the whole inventory management system, and this way people can easily just record the voice and just ask, and they will get back the predicted sales and everything, whatever they want. So this was really good feature. Okay, so here is one more very good feature of the time LLM forecast. I've just created the chatbot, so you can directly ask the question like, "What is a predicted sale for, let's suppose, store one, and keep the department one, and for 10 weeks, or let's just skip 12 weeks." Okay, let's just try with 12 weeks. Yeah, perfect. So forecast for store one, department one for the 12 weeks, it just showed up with the top 10 values I've taken up. Not to just we can just add a feature to just download whole Excel sheet. And this was a whole project which I just made it. And one more thing, for the security purpose, I've just created the logs, like whatever time we are just logging into the website, it is just stored in the S3 bucket user action log. We can just download it, and we can just see that whatever the latest timestamp we have just logged in, which user just logged in, and it was 10 July, the latest time which we just logged in the starting of the project. So yes, that's it. So our approach not only improves the forecast accuracy and operational efficiency, but also enhances user experience and trust through this feedback loops and responsible AI practices. Ultimately, this project does not highlight how AI-driven insights can empower retailers to optimize their supply chain management, reduce waste, meet customer demands with in a more effective way, driving both the profit and sustainability in today's fast paced market. So yeah, just support my project. Thank you.